The Educational Theater Association's online membership service portal lets you take care of all of your core troupe business. We want to make managing your International Thespian Society troupe as easy as possible. So here's a quick tip to help you use the system. Let's look at how to update your troupe information. First, log into your account. If you're on the schooltheater.org website, click on the My Account button in the upper right corner. Alternatively, you can type myedta.schooltheater.org directly into your browser bar. Type in the information that you normally would to access your account and click Login. Upon logging in, you'll end up on your personal snapshot page. To edit this information, click the Edit My Profile link in the left-hand navigation. Update any information that's changed, like your preferred email address, phone number, or address, and click the Save button at the bottom. If you run into any problems, email our membership team at members@schooltheater.org, and we'll be happy to help. Watch the other tip videos for more help using the system.